Hello, greeting from Bangla Foundation. Here is Mia Nurul Islam, founder and chairman Bangla Foundation. Today I am making this video requesting all benefactors and generous donors to financial support for our EBF Environment and Nature Conservation project in Bangladesh. The world has already entered to era of loss and damage from human-induced climate change. Shariatpur, Bangladesh is not exception from that. Despite being a rural area, it has low number of trees, absent of clear river, aquatic life, degrading soil. To prevent long time losses, food shortage, endangerment of built and aquatic life, EBF wants to implement this project that will benefit 6.5 million population in Bangladesh. We want to set up 6 EBF eco center which will provide awareness raising, distribution of trees and fruits sapling, implement rehabilitation procedure to both human and plants after disaster, initiated river, ponds cleaning program and process 100 metric ton of waste per 4 months. I request you to donate for our project so we can implement and strong environmental infrastructure model in Shariatpur district in Bangladesh. Thank you.